Okay, I'm gonna walk you through a dynamic warm-up for our KPI hip hinge. I'm gonna start with a couch stretch. Come up 90 degrees in front of the feet. Keep the torso upright. Push the rear hip forward because we're targeting the quad and the iliopsoas. And I'm gonna actively press my rear foot down to the floor. I'm gonna do this for 30 to 60 seconds. If you already have the flexibility, 30 seconds should be enough. If you lack flexibility, you should go for 60 seconds or up. After these 30 seconds, I'm gonna stretch my front leg and reach down to my toe to get a good stretch in that front hamstring. I'm keeping my rear foot up just so that quad stays in the stretch. Pull your toe towards yourself. Again, 30 to 60 seconds before we go towards the groin stretch. Make a quarter turn. Bring the chest to the floor, and then we're gonna rock back and forward. Push the hip up and forward. Chest to the floor, hip up and forward. I'm gonna keep rocking back and forth for also 30 to 60 seconds. And then you go ahead and do this on the other side as well. Okay. Now we're going into our more active mobility. So we're gonna do a single leg RDL, 2 row. My left hand will be working with my right foot. So the standing leg is the working leg. Reach towards the bend until you feel that stretch in the hamstring and the glute, and it will come up and row. By pulling that bend and coming up on the right foot, we activate that cross-body connection. I'm gonna go for 5 sets, 5 reps per side. Really reach forward and try to move solely from the hip and not too much from the knees. We pair these with the Cossack squat. Keep the hands tall, go as low as you can. And every time we come up, we roll to the middle of the chest. Up. Also 5 per side. We'll go ahead and do this for 2 sets. And then we finish off with 3 to 4 sets of hip openers. Then we go in our plank position. Bring the feet as far to the front as we can. The inside elbow, we're gonna push to the floor. Open up to the ceiling. And then we're gonna make 3 switches, keeping the hip down. 1, 2, 3. Move to the other side. Elbow down. Move up. 1, 2, 3. Elbow down. Move up. 1, 2, 3. Elbow down. Move up. 5 per side. Rest for 15 to 30 seconds. Go into your other set. And now we're ready to go into our speed or power work.